Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the drug targets. What is mean the drug targets? Drug targets are the specific molecules or biological structure within the body that drug interact with the produce a therapeutic effect. This target can be protein, nucleic acid, or other molecule involved in the disease process. Here a detailed explanation of a drug targets. Uh, Firstly, definition of the drug targets. Drug targets are the specific biological molecules or structure involved in a disease pathway. They are the key player that drug aim to interact with to produce a therapeutic effect. Then the types of drug target. First is protein targets. The majority of the drug target are proteins such as enzyme, receptor, and transporters. These proteins can be located on the cell surface or within the cell nucleic acid. Some drugs target nucleic acid specific DNA or RNA to interfere with the process like DNA replication or transcription. Other biomolecules in the certain cases drug may target lipids, carbohydrate or other biomolecule involved in a disease process. Example of drug targets: enzymes. Drug can be inhibit or uh, active, activate enzyme to modulate biomolecule reaction. For example, stannin target the enzyme HMG CoA reductase to lower cholesterol level. Then the receptor, many drugs interact uh, with a cell surface receptor such as the beta blocker that target beta adenyl receptor for the treatment of hypertension. Then the transportation, drug targeted transporter can affect in the movement of substance across the cell membranes. Antidepressants like SSRIs means selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors target serotonin transporters, ions then the ion channels. Some drugs target ions channel regulate the flow of ions across cell membrane. For instance, anti-arrhythmetics drug target sodium or potassium channel in the cardiac cell. Importance of the drug targets. Understanding the is the crucial for the drug discovery and development. Drug must be interact with their intended target to produce the desired therapeutic effect while minimizing the side effect. Identifying and validating drug target is the critical step in the drug development process, often involving the extensive research and experimentation. Target identification and validations. Target identification involve the identifying a molecule or pathway that plays a key role in a disease. Target validation involve the demonstrate target with a drug leads to the desired therapeutic effect mechanism of action. Understanding the drug mechanism action involve the knowing how the interact with the target. This can include the binding to the target, inhibiting and enhancing its activity, and modulating downstream signaling pathway. Specificity and selectivity. Drug should be um, ideally he ideally be ideally be highly specific for their intended target to minimize of target effect which can be lead to side effect. Example of target therapies is target cancer therapies is often aim to inhibit the basic proteins. Then the it is the that or pathways that are overactive in cancer cells, such as HER2 target therapies for the breast cancer. Antiviral drug may target viral protein involved in the replication or entry into the host cell. It is the information regarding to the drug target. Thank you.